Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can create a QR code using Google Sheets. So this is super simple. You want to put the link inside of this box next to the QR code, and you're just going to want to type in equal image, and then you're going to want to paste this link. And don't worry, I will put this link in the description box down below. And then I will press the space bar, the and symbol, and I will click on this bit right here. This B4 and then close parentheses, and I will press enter. And now I have a QR code, and if you scan this right now, it'll go to the link that I put in here. So just try it out yourself and see how it goes. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.